In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit email colors in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you're looking to customize the look and feel of your WooCommerce emails to match your brand's identity, or simply want to refresh their appearance, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and have you mastering this in no time. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center from which you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to click on the WooCommerce tab on the left-hand side. Doing so will open up a drop-down menu with various options to manage your store. In this drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This section allows you to configure various elements of your WooCommerce store and make it truly yours. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the Emails tab. This is where you'll get into the nitty-gritty of customizing the email notifications your WooCommerce store sends out. Within the Emails tab, locate the option to adjust the color palette. This is where you can start customizing the visual elements of your emails. Begin by clicking on Accent to change the highlight color in your emails. Choose a color that suits your brand, as the accent color plays a vital role in drawing the recipient's eye to important parts of your email. Next, look at the Email Background option. This changes the overall background color of your emails. Selecting the right color can set the tone for the entire communication. Make sure it's something that complements your accent color while keeping it easy on the eyes for whoever reads it. Then, it's time to focus on the Content Background setting. This option changes the background color specifically for the content area of your email. Again, select a color that harmonizes well with your accent and background colors. Don't forget about heading and text colors, as these are pivotal in ensuring your emails are not just visually appealing, but also readable. Select a color that stands out against the background and content background to keep your text clear and accessible. Moreover, consider the secondary text feature. This adjusts the color for any secondary or additional text in your emails. Using a complementary color can help maintain a unified look throughout. Lastly, once you're satisfied with all your color adjustments, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste, and your emails now reflect the colors you've selected. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to customize your WooCommerce emails colors. With these modifications, you can ensure that every email sent from your store looks polished and professional, perfectly aligned with your brand's identity. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.